Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for network administrator engineers. These are scenario-based complex interview questions. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario based on the topic IPv6 migration and dual stack implementation. Our scenario is your organization is planning to transition from IPv4 to IPv6 to accommodate the growing number of devices and address the depletion of IPv4 addresses. Design and implement a dual stack solution to ensure a smooth transition. Consider addressing routing and compatibility with existing IPv4 infrastructure. Being a CCNA network administrator, what solution you will select? Now the solution is our first solution, IPv6 address planning. Design an IPv6 address plan based on the organization's requirements and future growth. Allocate IPv6 subnets for different segments of the network, ensuring scalability. Second solution, enable IPv6 on network devices. Enable IPv6 on routers, switches, and other network devices. Use commands such as IPv6 unicast routing on routers to activate IPv6 functionality. Third solution, implement dual stack on routers. Configure dual stack functionality on routers to support both IPv4 and IPv6. Ensure that routing protocols, for example OSPF v3, EIGRP for IPv6, are configured for both address families. Our fourth solution is dual stack on servers and end devices. Enable dual stack on servers, workstations, and other end devices. Verify that applications and services are compatible with IPv6. Our fifth solution is IPv6 routing configuration. Configure IPv6 routing on routers, including static routes or dynamic routing protocols for IPv6. Ensure that routers can route traffic between IPv4 and IPv6 networks. Sixth solution, implement IPv6 access control lists ACLs. Create IPv6 ACLs to control traffic flow and enforce security policies. Consider the differences in syntax between IPv4 and IPv6 ACLs. Our seventh solution is DHCP v6 configuration optional. Optionally implement DHCP v6 to automate IPv6 address assignment and other configuration parameters. Configure routers or dedicated DHCP v6 servers for address allocation. Our eighth solution is DNS configuration for IPv6. Update DNS configuration to include IPv6 records, AAAA records for existing services and resources. Ensure that DNS servers are reachable over both IPv4 and IPv6. Ninth solution: test and validate IPv6 connectivity. Test IPv6 connectivity by pinging, tracing routes, and ensuring end-to-end communication. Identify and resolve any issues related to IPv6 connectivity. 10th solution: documentation and communication. Document the IPv6 migration plan, including addressing, routing, and configurations. Communicate the IPv6 transition plan to IT staff, ensuring awareness of changes and potential impact. This scenario involves implementing a dual stack solution to facilitate the transition from IPv4 to IPv6, ensuring compatibility with existing infrastructure and preparing for future growth in address space. If you are preparing for any CCNA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. Also, you can download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.